morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 2 and Day 15. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, notebook, pen along with you. I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to get ready, my dear children. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all ready. Let us move to our today's class. Let us see the phonics. From this today's class, we are going to recap the Unit 2 lessons. Let us see the phonics session. Let us recap the sounds. See this. E-W as in oo sound. Right? You also read along with me. New, new, few, few, mew, mew, spew, spew, stew, stew, brew, brew, skew, skew, pew, pew. Next, UE as in oo sound. Q, 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 Q. Value, value. Tuesday. Resume, argue, argue. Yes, my dear children, did you read along with me? You have to use the letter sounds to read this, right? In our phonics class. See that next one. Ooh, blue, sue, flew, true, glue, glue, clue, glue. Next, UI as in oo sound. Fruit, soon, juice, bruise, cruise, suitcase, recruit, juicy. Next, oo, OU as in oo sound. Groove, loo, sue, wound, youth, root. Next, rate, ate, slay, neigh, fright, 18, 80. Next, EI as in a sound. Vein, reindeer, wave, rain, sake. Next, PY as in a sound. Pray, gray, hay, way, obey, convey. Next, OWN, all sound. Roll, scroll, enroll, swollen, troll, pole. Great, my dear children. Did you read along with me? In our phonics class, we have to use the letter sounds to read these words. Do you remember? Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the whole word section. See this. These are all the new whole words from this unit. You have to read these words as it is. You do not use the letter sounds to read these words. Right? Left to right. Small, small. Found, found. Right, right. Faster, faster. Open, open. Just, just. More, more. Different, different. Began, began. Last, last. Never, never. Ing, ing. One, own. Under, under. Without, without. Off, as. My dear children, These whole words you have to spell and write in your notebook 5 times. And also you have to dictate phonic section. You have to use the letters on to write that 5 times. Okay? Yes. Let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session from this unit 2. From this reading and listening comprehension, for that drawing conclusion, how you have to do that. Okay? You know already, right? Ask yourself the questions from this. What important event happened during the story? How are the characters behaving during the story? What happened at the end of the story? How did the characters feel at the end? Next, ask yourself this one. What do you know already? What do I know about the people who behave like the character? What else do I know what connects with the story, right? So this is very helpful to draw a conclusion table. This like you have to ask yourself some questions. After that, you have to write the answer like that. What can we conclude? What did we learn from the story? What is the story trying to say? This like you have to write the conclusion of stories. Okay. Next, sequencing events. Events in a story are sequenced into 3 parts. They are beginning, middle and end. You are going to tell us about the beginning, settings and characters. Okay. Middle, you are going to tell us the problem and details, then resolving a problem. At the end, we are going to tell a solution. Lot of times we have to recap this. Do you remember? Yes. Then my dear children, reading and listening comprehension having some stories. You have to read the story orally. After that you have to see the different meanings, right? Difficult words, find out that. Okay. From this lesson story, the goose that laid the golden eggs having. Next story. SR7, the 2 brothers. Okay. In your home, you have to read yourself independently. Okay. The next story, the wind and the sun. Next one, Eclavia story from our SR16. Then SR19, who hit the bird's eye? Right? Yes. So from this reading and listening comprehension session, you need to having 4 stories. You are going to read independently in your home, my dear children. Yes. Next, let us move to the grammar part. From this unit, we learned a preposition. Let us recap now. Prepositions are short words that connect different parts of a sentences. They tell us the relationship between people, places and things. On, in, into, near, at, towards, of, during. These are all the prepositions from this unit we learnt. Right? On, usage. Used to show the day, date. Used to show the position of a person, object. Example sentences. I will meet you on Sunday. Ravi was sitting on the sofa. Next, in shows part of the day. I drink milk in the morning. Next, shows when someone or something already inside. The cat is in the box. Next word, into. Used when someone or something is changed locations. Sunita is entering into the room. Next word, near. Shows the position or location of an object with reference to some other things or place. My house is near the station. Next, at. Shows the exact time. I met my friend at 7 p.m. Towards. Used to indicate directions. For the example, we walked towards the stage. Next, of. Used to show belonging. I had a glass of milk. Next, during. Used to show when something happens over a period of time. Maya was coughing during the match. So this is our grammar part, preposition from this unit 2. Next. Connectors. Words that connect two sentences to part of a sentences without changing their meanings are called connectors. We saw three connectors: and, but, or. Used when both ideas exist and are equal importance. Example, Rohan reached home and rested for some time. But used to connect unlike ideas or to show contradiction. Mohit can swim but his brother cannot. Or shows there is only one choice or option. We can go for a movie or a circus. Right. These are all the grammar part from this unit. Now we are going to do one worksheet from this. See this. This is worksheet number 25. You have to recap the preposition and connectors from this unit 2. We are going to finish the worksheet number 25, question number 1 and 2. This is your own, my dear children. Okay, you have to pause the video, then find out the question and answer. You have to write in your notebook. Otherwise, you have a workbook, means you have to fill that and send it on our WhatsApp group. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. So, today we recap the Unit 2, Day 15 class. Right? In our phonics session, we recap all the phonics in this unit. Then whole words, that also. I told already, you have to take your notebook. What we had to done in our phonics class. We are going to write 5 times for each phonics section in your SR book. Okay. While you are writing, you have to use the letter sounds to read and write phonics part. Okay. Next, whole words. We recap that from this unit, new whole words. That also you have to write 5 times. From this whole words, you are going to read the word as it is. You do not use the letter sounds to read this and write these words. Next, my dear children, reading and listening comprehension section. They are having some stories. You are going to read the story independently. After that, you have to identify the beginning, middle, at the end of the story. You have to use the story elements. Story elements means settings, talking characters, a problem, resolving a problem, a solution. This like you have to identify the story. Okay. After that, you have to draw a conclusion table with your own. After completing the story, you have to write yourself. Okay, in your notebook. In our grammar part, we learned the connectors, then some prepositions. I gave one worksheet homework also. This is your own. You have to read the question and find the answer and write down in your notebook. Otherwise, you have a workbook, means you did that. Okay. Next, writing and speaking. Yesterday's class I gave you some imaginary story. You have to complete that. Okay. After, you have to prepare for an assessment. Okay. That is a quizzes we have to send in our WhatsApp group, my dear children, tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning, my dear children.